Have you ever wondered if buying a yacht is a smart financial move, or is it just a luxury dream? Well, today we're diving deep into the real numbers and answering the burning question, is a yacht a good investment? We'll break down the costs, potential returns, and the hidden perks that come with owning your own yacht. So if you're curious about whether you can turn a yacht into a money-making machine, or if it's just an expensive toy, stick around because we've got all the insights you need. And before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Welcome back. Let's get straight to the point. Buying a yacht is a dream for many, but is it a smart financial investment? Today, we'll look at all the factors, from initial purchase costs to ongoing maintenance, charter opportunities, tax benefits, and potential for appreciation. So if you've ever been on the fence about owning a yacht, this is the video for you. Yachts come in various sizes and price ranges, from smaller vessels costing a few $100,000 to luxury mega yachts priced in the millions. But here's the catch. Buying a yacht is just the first step. There are other significant costs like docking, maintenance, fuel, and crew salaries. We're going to cover these details so you know exactly what you're getting into before signing any paperwork. First, let's talk about the initial purchase. A 40-50-foot yacht may cost you anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million. For luxury yachts, think 60 feet and above, you're looking at $1.5 million or more. And if you're going for a super yacht, the sky's the limit. But here's the kicker. Buying a yacht isn't like buying a home. Yachts generally depreciate over time, much like cars. However, the rate of depreciation can vary depending on factors like the brand, size, and how well you maintain it. Some high-end yachts can retain value better than others, but it's still something to keep in mind. So is it a good investment in terms of appreciation? Not always, but there are other ways to make it work. Once you've bought the yacht, you'll have ongoing expenses. These include docking fees, expect to pay thousands, especially if you're mooring in a luxury marina. Maintenance and repairs. Yachts need regular upkeep, from engine checks to cleaning. This could run you especially if you're expecting appreciation. But if you're smart with chartering, taking advantage of tax breaks, and most importantly, if you value the lifestyle it brings, owning a yacht can be a fantastic decision. It's less about making money and more about enhancing your life in ways you just can't get with other investments. At the end of the day, it's all about your priorities. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more valuable content for you. And let us know in the comments, what kind of video do you want to see next? Maybe you're curious about yacht management or how to get into chartering. Let me know below. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.